ginagawa ko to. If naiikot ako, ito yung front ko. Sorry, gagawin ko lang. Okay? Slowly siya natin. Bilangan natin. Slowly. Fighting stance. Reach. Knee. 1, 2. Okay? So, alalayan nyo lang yung partner nyo. Paano yun? Ako mag-finish. I need. No. Mali. Naging judo throw. Diba iwasan nyo yung judo throw? O, sige. Sige sa reach. Knee. Yan o. Nakapin sa loob. Okay? Okay? O, gawin mo. Things time up. Yeah. Yeah. Gets? Oh, sorry. Knee. Up. Up.